Ha! Minecraft movie, villager, nitwit, landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast for you. So we're going to start with the nose, right? So curving sort of up here, just above halfway, top half of my page, right? Just this curved line. So they're kind of more 3D. So we'll go down first, right? For the long rectangular nose, curves around here. And then, so it kind of has a nostril on the side, right? So it goes there first. And then it's got a little bump. Boop. And then this line comes down this way. Okay, so you might have like just an edge line up here, just to make it look a bit cooler, kind of more three-dimensional sort of style, you know, that the movie has than the game. And okay, so the eyes, right? So we'll go like it's kind of like got a worried, frowning head. So kind of eyebrow comes down there. Both sides, right? So downturned eyebrow or frown. Okay. And there's a little line that joins to the nose. It's like the bridge of the nose. Here. And the eyes are then in this section and they're square. So they go this way, down there, like a little piece of skin in there as well, and this way. Right. Green box-like eyes, so irises, you know, the color part. Like that, and then a square pupil, and then here too. Right, maybe like a little bit of an eyelid line. So there's like lines for his cheeks here. And then a sort of a downturned mouth. Again, sort of worried looking. Maybe like a bottom lip line, just sort of there. So that eyebrow, so big furry eyebrow. Just kind of these zigzag lines coming across just to show that it's got a bit of texture on it. Runs nearly the whole length of his eyes, right? Very long. And then it comes up the side. And then more sort of spikes going this way. And if you want some texture in there, you can. Like so. Okay, so face shape, so like a wide sort of jaw. Right, like that. And the other side kind of here as well. Can't really see his chin, but there's kind of like a line that joins his neck or something here. And then his like face comes up the side. You got cheekbones. And then this kind of goes up the side of his head. But we can see a bit more of the side of his head on this one than the other side, right? So for example, we can see an ear here. Not so much on the other side. Like a bit of skin maybe there as well. And then this big head. And you got like the side of it there. And then some like forehead wrinkles and stuff. Just light ones because they're barely visible. So we can see the side of the neck and a bit of an Adam's apple or something there. And then the body's sort of turned the other way, right? So the arms and shoulders are sort of positioned differently to the head. Let's see now. So, okay, so the collar, so we'll put a collar here, right? And it kind of comes down the middle and it steps like down a few times. Like this, right? Down to there, and then the other side goes up, steps up, then down this way. And there's all details in there, but we'll just get like the chunk of his shoulders and stuff in, the way his arms are joined together, right? So shoulder comes down here, and then shoulder goes the opposite way, down that way. And then this comes down, so real just square sort of, because Minecraft. And then, so it meets, what's that? That's the middle, and then it goes up here somewhere. And then his back body and front body there. So, details inside. So we got the arms kind of folded over, going this way. And you know, there's like some folds and like a, just sort of an angle on the elbow. And I think that's, what's that, the edge? Oh, there's another bit of his belly I missed over here, sorry. Kind of goes more that way. It looks like he's leaning back, but he's kind of wider down here. And a bit of his neck, just under his eye there. So he's got like a pattern on his collar, so we'll just start doing that. You don't have to do all the blocks if you don't want. It kind of goes this way, and then down the middle. And he's got a red t-shirt inside here as well, actually. And this collar has a bit of an edge. Boom. And if you want to do some of the details in here, just it's all these blocky sort of shapes. And not like completely necessary if you don't want to. You know, kind of Aztec like. You know, do as many of them as you want. Villager, Minecraft. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.